WBRC Fox 6 Law Call.
Into Law Call tonight. So glad that you are joining us. We are talking about all things personal injuries, and as you can tell, we have the dream team here with us, Kirby, Farris, and Kim Riley. So glad that you all are here, and certainly glad that you're watching. We're here to answer your questions. 855 Law 1955 is the number to call. We're going to go right back to our phone lines. I have a couple of ladies holding for us. The first one is Karen over in St. Clair County. Karen, we appreciate you watching and sticking with us. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, my question is, my grandson was involved in an accident, and he was on a main road, and there was a car that pulled out from a secondary road in the fog, and they had no backlights, and he ran into the back of them. He was injured, and the insurance company, would just pay for the vehicle, but he was injured and had to have doctor, had to go to the doctor, get MRI, X-rays, and whatnot. And also had to be off work for a couple of weeks. So we were wondering if we needed to seek, a lawyer to pay for those, for the injuries, for the hospital bill and all that he had to have taken care of. We were wondering if we needed to do that.
That's a good question.
I mean, yes.
Yes.
Here's the thing: if insurance companies would act right, no, we'd be out of business. But the fact is that they don't, and I'm sure you've seen this already. The medical bills, just the medical bills. Not even talking about how bad it hurt, or that hopefully he doesn't have a permanent injury. But once you break something, it's never the same.
Missing work.
So, we've been doing this long enough to where we kind of know what an insurance company ought to pay for certain things. And if you haven't, if you hadn't been doing this, you can look at a billboard or you can watch a commercial or something and maybe do some online research. But really, every case is individualized. Every case is different. So you really have to look at every case in such a way so that you can know how much an insurance company ought to pay, in addition to the medical bills and how you work all those angles. So, what we do when we get a case is we look at it, we evaluate it, we take all the factors into account, but what we try to do is we try to get the best possible net result for the client. And the net result is what's important, because you can get some, high number up here, but if it all gets eaten up by medical bills or something else, you got to work all the angles to get the best net result, and it's going to be hard to do that because the insurance company on your own, because the insurance company is going to say, okay, well, we're just going to start writing checks to, hospital says they got a $30,000 bill, we're just going to write that out and what we do is we negotiate with them, and we try to get you dollar for dollar back in your pocket, but they just want to write that until the limits are gone, and then they're done. Okay, so that's the reality of what happens out there, and that's why lawyers are important, and that's why whatever you end up paying them on a contingency fee, you're still going to end up on the better side of it.
Okay.
So
that's good advice.
That's more than you asked, but
no, it's good though.
Something I have trouble getting the insurance companies to understand is this: we have clients that will go to a doctor or a physical therapist from start to finish 50, 60 times.
Oh my.
That you're going to the doctor,
wow,
or you're going to physical therapy, or you're going here, you're going there. and that is disruptive. Very
you got to drop what you do. Not just, and physical therapy isn't massage therapy.
No, it's not massage therapy.
No.
You've had it.
I've had it.
I've had it. It hurts.
It's not fun.
And if you work, that's time off from work.
That's right.
It's normally,
And we
it
have
can be
clients
longer
that
than
go through
hours.
physical therapy 2 and 3 sessions,
Wow.
where they'll go 20 times, but 2 or 3 sessions
Wow.
of 20.
Wow.
We see it. It's a lot.
See it a lot.
Well, Karen, we are going to give out these gentlemen's number at the start of the next break, so please make sure that you stay in touch and give them a call to see if you can get more direction on where you need to go. Certainly wish the very best. I believe you said for your grandson, so certainly wish the best for him.